Welcome to the exam overview for Commerce O-Level 7100 by Exon Academy. Beginning with the exam structure, as per usual, you have two exams to deal with. Paper 1 is an MCQ-based exam, holding 40 marks and lasting for an hour, while paper number 2 is a written exam, carrying 70 marks and having a duration of 2 hours. Remember that both components carry a split weightage of 70-30. Now, beginning with paper 1, P1 consists of 40 multiple choice questions. You have to choose amongst 4 possible answers and then denote your choice accordingly on the provided bubble sheet. P1's assessment objectives highlight its emphasis on knowledge, with it having a 45% stake, application following up with a 35% stake, and then comes evaluation, with a comparatively minor 20% stake. While on the other hand, paper number 2 consists of structured questions based on commercial scenarios. Paper 2's assessment objectives, alluding to its structured nature, deprioritize knowledge, giving it a 28% share. Application gets a 27% share, while evaluation gets a majority share of 45%. Now, this is a very important slide, since it includes all the key calculations you might face. Being individually mentioned in the official syllabus, they are highly likely to make an appearance in the exam. Make sure to learn these formulae and practice them thoroughly. I recommend screenshotting and using this as a checklist to see if you're truly prepared for the exam. Now, this was just a basic, quick rundown and introduction to the exam structure of commerce. You can find the complete syllabus review in the description. Feel free to give it a watch for a complete understanding of O-Levels commerce. Keep in mind though, there is nothing more important than practice. Make sure to go through past papers, marking schemes and examiner reports, implementing them while practicing past papers. You can find these aforementioned documents in the description. Thank you for watching, and as always, good luck for your